Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I'm going to show you how to share your phone screen and how to control it. Actually sometimes we get some problem in our phone and that time we need some expert, right? But the expert living far away from us and that time we need to share our that phone screen so that we can get solution. So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So first of all, let me show you. This is my first phone and this is my second phone, okay? So I share my this first phone screen to my second phone and I can solve any problem of this phone from this phone. So let me go to WhatsApp from this phone, and if anything happen in WhatsApp, that time I can solve it from my second phone, okay? And I can go to also in Facebook, and in Facebook if anything happen, that time I can solve it also. And let me show you. You can see there is Facebook available in there also, okay? And I can go to this phone settings so that I can solve problem, okay? So let me go there. You can see I can access to this phone settings also so that I can solve any problem from this phone, okay? So if you really want to learn how to do that, then please watch my full video carefully. So first of all, let me disconnect all of this function and after that I will show you a step-by-step process. So I cancel all of the function and let me show you the step-by-step process. So this is my first phone and I want to share my this phone screen to my second phone, okay? So let me do something in my first phone. So in my first phone I need to go to Play Store, and after that I need to search this application which is QuickSupport. So you need to install this application which is TeamViewer QuickSupport, okay? Just install it in your first phone, I mean from which phone you want to share your phone screen. And after installing it, you need to install another application in this one also which is TeamViewer add-on. Just install this application, TeamViewer add-on, this on, just install it, okay? And after installing it, let me go to TeamViewer QuickSupport and let me click here open option, then click here agree and continue, then click here continue, then again continue, and then let's get started, then agree, and then click allow. And you can see in there you have got one ID, your ID. This is your first phone, okay? And right now you need to ask your expert friend install another application in his or her phone. And let me go to my second phone. This is my second phone, and let me go Play Store. Then I need to install another application in there which is TeamViewer Remote Control, this application, okay? So let me install this one in my second or in my expertise phone. And after that you need to install another one which is TeamViewer add-on, TeamViewer add-on. Just install this application also. So after that let me go there, TeamViewer Remote Control, then click here open option, then click agree and continue. Then there is something you need to ask your expert friend, I mean he need to create one account in this TeamViewer, okay? And if you don't know how to create it, that time just comment below. I will make another video for how to create TeamViewer accounts, because if you don't create TeamViewer accounts, that time this process won't be work. So you must have TeamViewer account, okay? So let me click here sign in this option because I have already created an account. So let me choose Chrome, and then let me give that account in there, then click here continue, then give my password. So after that, let me click here sign in, and sometimes it will send one email into that created account. So in that created account you need to go there, and after that you need to allow this device, either this will not work. Okay, so after that let me click here skip for now this option, then click here allow, and right now you need to share your this ID to your friends. Okay, so you can click here share option, and you can share by Bluetooth or messages. Okay, so just share this ID. Okay, and after sharing this ID you need to ask to your friend in there enter partners ID, and before that let me go there settings, and you can see in there I have created one account which is Ivan, and there is some permission you need to give. Click here permission, and notification already turn on. You can give also storage permission from there, and then get back from here, then click here location, and then just allow it, then microphone you can allow it. Okay, so after that just get back from here, and then click here quality automatic, you can choose any one of them, and after that you are done. So just get back from here, and then enter your that partner ID in there 1802364 and after that let me click here connect this option, and you can see in my primary or first phone I have got one notification which is verify this user. Make sure you trust this person before allowing access to your device. Okay, so scammer often claim to offer tech support. Take care when you sharing your details. Okay, so if you trust your that device, that time you can click here verify user, and if you don't trust, that time click here deny access. Okay, so I trust this device, so that's why I click verify user this option, and you can see there is display name, and there is email address, and there is country from where he tried to access. Okay, let me click here connect again, and there is the license free users, and after that you can see I trust this person and allow immediate access to my device. So just check it, then click here allow access, then start recording or casting with QuickSupport. Let me click here start now, and then you can see all are done. So let me minimize this part, and I can give assistance or I can give solution from this phone to this phone. Okay, if I try to go to phone settings, let me go there, you can see there is the phone settings, so I can solve any problem from this phone. Okay, and I can solve WhatsApp problem, I can solve any kinds of problem from this phone to this phone, and you can see it where your expert friend go. Just turn on your screen and you can see where your friends enter in your phone. Okay, you can see it. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process you can share your phone screen to your expert friend so that you can get solution for your problem. And if you want to cancel it, that time just click here this option, and after that you can see close connection, just click here close, and sponsor season. So you are done and you are disconnected from your this phone. And if you try to again connect, just enter your that ID, then click here, and then again click here verify user, then accept and allow access, and you are online again. Okay, so that's it guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kinds of problem then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks, do comment, give like and do subscribe.